Yes guys, I got my packages today from Shein. Hey guys, welcome. It's your girl Juliana Soul Vlog, and I'm on my way to collect my Shein package. Yes guys, so I'll be unboxing that video. Yes guys, so I'm gonna show you when and where I collect my Shein packages. Yes guys, so please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share out the video guys. So guys, I'm on my way to collect my Shein package guys. I can't wait to get it. Oh my god, I'm so excited and all of that. It's a long journey guys. Sorry about that. I have to do the voiceover because of the music that's playing in the background. I don't want to get copyright or anything like that, so I had to do a voiceover. But can't wait to receive the package in my hands. And loving this journey. The music I go and play, and me I go and enjoy myself to the beat and all of them something. Sorry, I couldn't show no because I don't want to video nobody inside of the taxi with me in and something. I don't have my own transportation, not yet, guys. So my girl after I go and take taxi, so we are going down the road, yeah, on our way. So I'm gonna put the information for where I ship with, and this place is all the way in Highgate, St. Mary. Yeah, so we're traveling quite some distance to collect my package, and I like shipping with them guys. So you can also check them out. They're very affordable, and you get a package very easy, no hustling or anything like that. You will receive your package on time, and no delays. Once you proceed with your orders, then it's on your way to you. So I hope you guys definitely enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. Yes guys, I got my packages today from Shein. I'm gonna put in the name of the company that I ship with. They're very cheap and affordable, and it won't cost nothing much guys, so you can go ahead and check them out. I'm gonna put all the information in the description box, and I'm gonna put their poster card right up here on the screen so you can check them out. Let them know that Juliana Soul Vlog send you over to their place. So let me tilt this down, tilt it down. So first, let me open this small one. Yeah, but I do not need opening it. Alright, so this is from Shein. Yeah. This is. I hope it fit. So this is the bra part, and this is the underwear. So you know, so I can't go. When I go try on this and put it on. That's that. Let me open the next package. So I'm gonna open this big one. So I ordered this blue dress. This blue dress. looking good. Yeah, perfectly. Hope it fits. So that's one. Guys, right now Shein is the best, one of the best to shop with. And then I ordered this dress also. So this is a small US size 4. So I hope this fits. So, and this is the slippers. Yeah, looking nice. So I will definitely do a next video when I try them on. Yeah, but I'll let you know how they go. But I really like them, and I wear size 39. So everything is perfect so far. So guys, please remember to like, share, and comment on the video and let me know what you all think about this unbox video. So the next video that I will be doing, I will show you guys how it looks on me, but that will be for another day. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.
Boom, I your boy Asian boy. I'm there I watch Julian Sewell vlog. I say if you not watch it, you need to go watch it right now. You need to go check out that girl. You need to do it right now. Right now I hit me and watch and I buy this thing. You hear that? Right now.